Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the convection element in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. You will need to pull the range away from the wall. Then lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Now unthread the two lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the convection fan baffle. You can now unthread the two mounting screws securing the convection element. Pull the element forward to access the wires, then depress the retaining tabs to disconnect the wires from the terminals. Make sure the wires don't slip behind the rear panel. Install the new convection element by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Position the element on the rear of the oven, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Reposition the baffle and replace the screws to hold it in place. Replace the oven racks. Support the front of the range. Then reinstall the door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the two lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.